In this quick video, we take walkthrough of mind mapping, like what is mind mapping, how it is useful in business analysis, and how to perform it. So what is mind map? A mind map is a diagram used to visually organize information. A mind map is hierarchical and shows relationship among pieces of whole. It is often created around single concept or multiple related concepts around central topic. So it will be helpful to articulate and capture thoughts, ideas, and information and present it to the management or take it further steps to do the further business analysis tasks. So the mind map will help us in articulating and capturing the thoughts. Thoughts, ideas, and information is being captured in nonlinear diagram. A mind map has a central main idea supported by secondary ideas or topics, followed by as many layers of ideas or subtopics as necessary to fully capture and articulate the concept. Connections are made between ideas by branches that typically have single keyword associated with them that explain the connection. Mind maps can be developed individually or as a collaboration exercise during a workshop or a brainstorming session. They can be created on paper, a piece of paper, or use a specialized software. There are many softwares out there. You can web search, you can find plenty of them. But I used a realtimeboard.com. It's a very simple and easy to create the mind map. So I use this web-based tool. Business analysts use mind maps to think through and generate ideas on complex concepts or problems, explore relationships between the various facets of a problem in a way that inspires creative thinking. Okay, and present a consolidated view of complex concepts or problems in it together. There is no standardized format for mind map. The intent of mind map is to capture the information in a fashion closely resembling how our minds process the information. The below image, I've given an example that will help you to understand the structure of the mind map. Here, you can see the center main topic and having 4 topics around it. Every topic will have subtopics with keyword connection. There could be multiple branches and multiple topics would go under each branch. So the main topic of the mind map is the thought or concept that is being articulated. The main topic is positioned in the center of the images so that multiple topics and associations can be branched off that will help to write the information surrounding to this central topic. Images are frequently used as a main topic because they can contain a great deal of information that can be useful in stimulating associated topics. Topics are thoughts or concepts that are expound upon further articulate the main topic. Their association with the main topic is expressed through a branch that has a keyword associated with it. There can be many or few topics as required to fully explore the thought or concept of the main topic. Let's take a look at the subtopic. So every main topic can have multiple subtopics. So that is like a related information. So we'll take a look at with the example further for the subsequent slides, but let's talk about the subtopics right now. Subtopics are thoughts or concepts that expound upon further articulate the topic and directly related to the main topic. Their association with the topic is expressed through branch, a connected line that has a keyword associated with it. There can be as many as few subtopics as required to fully explore the thought or concept of the main topic. Branches are the associations between the main topic, topics, and subtopics. It's like a connection between topics. Branches include a keyword that clearly articulate the nature of the association, like how it is connected. Next one is keywords. Keywords are single words used to articulate the nature of the association of topics or subtopics connected by branch. The keywords are useful for both categorizing the topics and for triggering additional associations. Color may be used to categorize, prioritize, and analyze topics, subtopics, and their associations. There is no defined color coding standard for mind maps, but you can use with your own liberty, like whatever the color you want, but each status or each topic should have a single color, unique color. Each mind map creator applies color in a way that best suits their mode of thinking. You can use images. Images can be found in mind maps to express larger volumes of information that are unable to be expressed in short topic headings. Okay, images are useful in stimulating creativity and innovation by generating additional thoughts, ideas, and associations. And some of the strengths of mind mapping is this can be used as an effective collaboration and communication tool to present the information. And this will help us to summarize the complex thoughts, ideas, and information in a way that shows overall structure. Associations and subtopics facilitate understanding and decision making. This will enable creative problem solving by articulating associations and generating new associations. Can be helpful in preparing and delivering presentations. Mind maps will easily help us to present to stakeholders and easily to explain the relation between topics, subtopics, keywords, etc. There are some limitations, and most of the people this used as a brainstorming tool. And this is not just a brainstorming tool, you can use it for multiple purposes. And if you have a lot of stakeholders or people involved in a project, it's very tough to explain multiple people understanding in a single mind map. So here I have given an example of a simple example of mind map. It's all about a new product launch, and this task is being assigned to the global head. So he started communicating with the people for product launch with marketing team in terms of opportunities, release announcements, the content research, forming some focus groups, etc., and creating a website. Like probably they may have already have a website, but they wanted to add some additional information for this product launch. And a software, probably they may use a software for their sales or workflow operations, and they may have to expand a little bit for this new product launch, probably to add some additional fields, updates to software, and QA package and deploy it. I used realtimemode.com. I found it pretty impressive to create this simple mind map. And this is another great example of mind map, that is CRM. You know, CRM is a customer relationship management. You will have multiple main topics around it, like dashboard, campaigns, contacts, opportunities, bucket, products, and projects. For every main topic, there are additional subtopics. Like if you take the campaign, what are all the campaign topics? Who are all the audience for that campaign? How to plan the campaign, etc. If you take the contacts belongs to the organization, the profiles, the tracking of the contacts, and organization means you'll have some skills, position, network, and subsequent sub branches and keywords, etc. So here, if you see, you have the central idea as a CRM to build the CRM, and it has multiple branches with main topics and subsequent subtopics, etc. So this will help us to understand like what is the boundary of a topic, and this will help us to derive the scope of the project. And this will also help us to give us a bird's eye view of the complete topics surrounding the project. And this is a lead generation. The previous one is like a CRM. Lead generation is like additional topic in the sales. Like how do you are trying to generate the leads? Okay, through branding, through website, through lead nurturing, through phone calls, through emails, by attending some events, by contacting through direct emails, probably by some existing referrals, etc. So this mind map is created lead generation as a central topic and created a lot of branches using surrounding topics. Hope you like this video. Just email me if you have any questions. If you need any business analyst training, please reach to me, bjtrainingexcel@gmail.com. Thank you.